Science has done things in the name of knowledge that should never have been done. These experiments were conducted on real people. Real fear, real pain, real psychological damage, in some cases permanent. They were later banned because of the harm they caused. But the findings they produced are some of the most important and disturbing truths ever uncovered about the human mind. Experiment 1. The Monster Study, 1939. Wendell Johnson, a speech therapist, divided 22 orphan children into two groups. One group received praise, the other was told repeatedly they were stutterers, that their speech was defective, that they had a serious problem. The children in the second group, who had no prior issues, developed speech problems. Some never recovered. They called it the Monster Study. Experiment 2. Project MKUltra, 1950s. The CIA's classified mind control program. Subjects were given LSD and subjected to sleep deprivation. The goal was interrogation and mind control. When the program was exposed, most files were destroyed. What survived shocked Congress. Experiment 3. The Robbers Cave Experiment, 1954. 22 boys at a summer camp were divided into two groups. Within days, they developed intense hostility, raiding and burning belongings. Group identity creates out-group hatred automatically, without any prior reason. Experiment 4. David Reimer, 1965. After a botched surgery, psychologist John Money convinced parents to raise David as a girl. Money claimed gender was a construct. David suffered profound identity conflict and died by suicide at 38. The experiment was a failure. Experiment 5. The Tuskegee Syphilis Study, 1932 to 1972. The US government studied untreated syphilis in 399 black men. When penicillin became available, it was deliberately withheld. The study continued for 40 years until a whistleblower leaked the truth. Every one of these studies contributed to the ethical frameworks we have today: the Nuremberg Code, the Belmont Report, informed consent. They also revealed something uncomfortable. The people who designed these experiments were not monsters. They were scientists and doctors. They operated within systems that allowed these things to happen. The distance between civilization and atrocity is shorter than we believe.